Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to change the notification sound on the Xiaomi 13T. In order to do that, open up your settings, go down to your sound and vibration right here, tap on your notification sound, and here you can choose from the default or from the online ringtones, alright? Also, you can choose your local ringtone, choose from the files, and make your notification ringtone a custom one, right? So simply choose, press OK, and it will be set just as the custom one. Or you can choose from the provided ones. So when you're, for example, let's choose this one. Let's use this one. All right, sounds great. So when we're satisfied with our ringtone, simply press OK. It will download, and now it's applied. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.